Hello, hi, I'm Tembeka from Yizocom. Kelly Kumalo, who was the girlfriend of our beloved late Senzo Meyiwa, who also a suspect on Senzo's death, she also in the trouble of losing her car. Sunday World reported that Kelly Kumalo defaulted her payment and is currently faced with 62,000 area fees. She purchased a 2011 Porsche Cayenne Trionic vehicle with a Nedbank loan of 500,000. Kelly was instructed to pay the installment under 10,000 every month up until 2023. In July this year, Nedbank attorney wrote a letter of demand to Kelly, instructed her to pay up and keep her account up to date. On August, the agreement was cancelled after Kelly failed to respond to the letter. Then she received a further communication from her bank asking her to bring back the vehicle. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press notification button to be the first to see when I upload it.